So I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys how I make my keto ham, since, you know, Easter's coming and you might want ham. I know everybody's quarantined and you probably won't get to go out for Easter, but that doesn't stop you from having Easter dinner. So don't judge me. I look like crap. I've been sick for days, getting over strep and ear infections and the flu. So yeah, no eyelashes, but don't judge me. But I just wanted to come on and show you guys how I make my ham. So, all right, so I got a spiral cut boneless ham, or bone-in ham, sorry. Spiral cut bone-in ham. Got it from Target for about $10. Nice, good. The price is like cut in half, so like $10.18. I got it's a 10-pound ham. It came with its own like glaze, but we're not using that because it's full of sugar. So no. I like to cut my ham up. I actually don't keep it on the bone. I used to, but I feel like it cooks better this way. So of course it was already cut, but I just cut it into pieces and put it in this pan, and then we're gonna go over to the stove and make up our glaze. Okay, so we're at the stove. We're gonna start with sugar-free syrup. I know it's weird, but it works. We're gonna get a measuring cup, and we're gonna measure out about 3/4 cup. Should be enough. If not, we can add more. This really depends on how much ham you have. Half that ham I actually threw in the freezer because we're not gonna eat all that ham. So I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna start this up so it can start boiling. You don't have to cook it if you don't want to. Honestly, I just do. Just to meld all the seasonings together. Now next ingredient, again, sounds weird, but it's good, I promise. I actually serve this at holidays, parties, like, you know, holidays, when we have holidays. For the past 2 years, since I've been keto for about 2 years now, we don't make regular food for anybody else. We don't care if you don't eat, it's up to you. But everybody usually eats and they enjoy it. It's delicious. So everybody loves this ham. You can either use regular mustard, or my husband actually found this honey mustard. There's this one and there's one by French's, and it only has 1 gram of carb in it. Regular mustard has 0, so it's up to you. I don't really have much regular mustard, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the honey mustard, and that's probably about like 1/4 cup. I don't really measure, sorry. So that's starting to boil. Mix it on up. Alright, next is our spices, because what is ham without spices? So I like to add some cinnamon. Pretty much everything I'm going to add is everything that you can find in like a pumpkin pie spice. So if you just want to use pumpkin pie spice, you can. I don't think I have any more after the holidays. I have to buy more. This is ground cloves. So just a little bit of that. And it's bubbling up nice. A little bit of ginger. And I know this says pepper or sea salt actually, but it's not. It's not pepper. This is actually allspice, whole, because that was like the only way I could find it when I bought it. So I just put it in this old sea salt grinder that I had, and I'm just gonna grind some of that in there. And it smells so good. Now, this is the first time I've actually used. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit, down to medium, low. This is a stove. Yes, I have a stove, but I love my induction, so I don't use my stove. I have my oven already heated to 375. And you guys can kind of see my shirt, my free Dobby shirt, free elf. Dobby's a free elf. For all my Harry Potter fans out there. But I'm gonna do a little taste test. And that is good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more syrup. A little bit of vanilla extract. And I know I added maple syrup already, but maple extract kind of has like, it's very reminiscent of brown sugar for some reason. And usually if I make my own brown sugar with erythritol or whatever granular sweetener that you like to use, I'll usually add maple extract to give it a brown sugar taste. So it normally looks a totally different color when I use regular mustard instead of like this brown, and it may not look all that appetizing, but it is delicious. And the more it actually cooks in the oven, the better it even tastes. So we are going to go ahead and add this to our ham. I'm gonna grab the ham. Turn this off and pour this over here. Kinda need a spatula to get the rest of that out there. And I'm just gonna kind of spread it around and lift up some of that ham. Alright guys, so I just took the ham out the oven. It's been about like an hour and a half, give or take, and I'm just kind of getting some of these juices and juicing the top. No idea where my baster is, but I also haven't used it since Christmas, so I just wanted to show you after I tasted another piece of ham. It was a little salty, so that was my first time using this Target ham, and I don't know if it's something with the ham, but it wasn't like, you know, sweet enough for me like a normal glazed ham is. So what I did was I drained all of the liquid that was in the pan into this pot. Bringing it to a boil, I added a spoon of xantham gum, and I just literally use a baby spoon. I got kids, so that's what I got left over from when they were babies. So I use this, which is I had to give it a unit of measurement, a teaspoon, half of a teaspoon, something like that. So I added that to this pot. I added what is this? 1 tablespoon of Splendid Natural, which I just found out, y'all, they've got sugar in it, but it's only 2 carbs. So yeah, so 2 carbs for half a teaspoon. So this is a tablespoon, so I don't know, it's probably like 6 carbs, but it was thrown in this big old pot. And you don't have to use that. You can use erythritol, which has no carbs. I just don't have any on me right now. So I gotta use what I got. Oh, I also added a little more cinnamon to this, and I'm letting it boil, and it's boiling nicely, and becoming just a nice extra glaze for me to throw on top of the ham. Normally I don't have to do this, but again, this is the first time I've actually encountered that. So if you ran into that, you could do this too. And this is just the remaining juice that was already in the pot. So this is the glaze basically we made the first time. I'm just adding a little to it because everything that boiled out from the ham also boiled into this glaze. So I'm going to, I think it's boiled enough. Turn that off. That's why I love my induction, because as soon as you press stop, it stops cooking. And this looks a lot more like a traditional glaze. So we're going to pour this right on over back over our ham. So yeah, that's what it's looking like now. Looks really good. It's making smoothies this morning. So yeah. But alright guys, I am going to really get off of here this time, and you guys have a wonderful evening. You stay safe and healthy and have a great one. Bye.